What's up? Welcome to this evening's live stream. I'm him. Today is, what is today? Today is Monday, December the 9th. I'm over here looking for the date. It's Monday, December the 9th. Entering the second week of the month, meaning at the end of this week, there are only 2 more weeks. So at this point, I've already met most of the goals that I'm in 100% control of. In fact, I've met 100% of my goals that I'm 100% in control of. It's looking like I'm not going to hit my watch time goal, which I'm not necessarily 100% in control of, but I do have a lot of influence over that. But didn't hit it this year. We'll be trying to hit it next year. But in the meantime, I'm going to continue to do my live streams because surprisingly, that is what's driving most of my watch time this year, which is a flip from last year, where most of my watch time was generated from a handful of videos. And talk about demotivating. To go a whole year of streaming. I think I did over 350 hours last year. So to do a whole year of streaming and then to have 4 videos like absolutely demolished by orders of magnitude everything that I did from my streams. But surprisingly, that's been flipped this year. The ratio is about 3 to 1. So for every 1 hour of watch time I generate on my regular videos, which I published a lot this year, and I'm not saying they're great, they're me learning really, but for every hour I publish, I'm getting 3 hours of watch time on my live stream, which is really good. That means that there's growth, substantial growth, so much so that now that is my top watch time generator. After that, it's shorts. After the videos, it's shorts. Anyways, I'm going to be working on what I've been working on. I've actually been working this whole time. I just decided that, I should stream. I am working on rewriting, essentially, the iOS getting started guide for our product. And yeah, that's what's happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and yeah. All right, one thing I think I'm going to go ahead and get done now is copy this into we have like a editing branch that we've created on our doc site. So I'm gonna put it there and I'll go back and forth. Maybe I can show that and find it. So I have another browser window open off to the side on my other monitor. And this is our, this is our current guide. All right, so there's some images. Some of these images I'm not gonna keep. What I'm gonna focus on is end states for things that I can send you off to Apple for, things that are documented there. So something like here, I'll just show the end state. Stuff like this, there's no need for me to go into all this. I can just show the end state again. Roscoe's in there coughing, I guess. So I'm going to kind of outline stuff, and then some of these screenshots will be redone based off of the latest version. Some of them will be thrown away. Maybe I'll need to go and create more screenshots of other things. I don't know. We'll see. But before we can do all that, I got to move this back over to here. And wait, okay. It's version 201. And I'm looking for the iOS SDK setup. Oh my gosh. Seriously though? Okay. I will search for it like a barbarian in the 80s. All right, here's what I'm after right here. So I'm making sure I'm in the right version. It looks like I am. Just gonna come over here, just copy all of that, delete all of that. I'm gonna delete all of that for now. Okay. With N, does it want me to put that article there? Sure, I'll put it there. So some of this is like in note format. Create, sure. It wants me to put articles. Sure, I will do that for whatever reason. To the main. Fine. I'm pretty sure that I can have this automatically fix all of these for me. I don't know how to spell this. So this right here, these two things are technically the same thing, kinda. So I'm just gonna kind of do a little bit of this. Oh my gosh, where's the language? Here we are, Objective-C. So do a little bit of that action and just copy it over. And then this can go away like that. And this is the same deal here, so I'll just do that again. And then we can, oh my gosh, I want to punch something. I need a punching bag to deal with this software, like real talk. That should be a feature. They should, or some swag, they ship you a punching bag or something. Oh, did I misspell activities? Like a man, I did. Okay. There's a comma. I'm not gonna add that. I'll let it do it. All right, perfect. To receive. Yeah, spell it correctly. So. Okay. This is technically right. There should be a way for me to add this to my dictionary, but yeah, whatever. Okay. So here's my initial dump of things. So let's go and see how this is rendering. All right, so we have our basic setup, and then under here we have prerequisites. Okay. So already I just realized that my prerequisites are in the wrong place. Okay. See, there's a reason why we do things like that. All right, so basic setup, add one signal SDK, initialize SDK, tests, trigger, and add messages. All right, I'm gonna have that be I'm not gonna have a separate testing step. I'm gonna condense it, kinda. All right, so this is part of two. Yeah, so we'll have that be a 3. Oh, wait a minute. I thought I said this would be a 3. What am I doing? Initializing the SDK and UI kit. Nah, never mind. That should be its own thing. What I can do is I can group it this way. Okay. Maybe I will make that a 3. Okay, and our recommended setup. I'm not numbering these because there's technically no real order to this. Actually, no, there is. There is. I think that should reduce the clutter quite a bit here. Yeah, that did a bit. So basic setup, we do the things, recommended setup, do more things, and then live activity setup. So some of this information, yeah, some of the stuff is like screenshots. Some of it is just going to be copying over instructions. Some of it's going to be rewriting. And this is more of a skeleton or a like an outline almost. Yo, what's up, Casual Comments? How you doing? Wait, did I literally have small capability? I didn't. I actually don't have there's no agenda. I'm just working. This was up. Wait, just now? Aren't you ahead of me in time zone? Oh wait, no, never mind. I think we're the same. Never mind. Still 7:30 is I think that's late. Depending on what time you start, I guess. Let's see here. I thought maybe you talked about UAC CLs. Monster guy got a big raise, probably double up on the hours. That's what's up. That's what's up. Nah, I mean I could talk about that, but that won't help me get this doc done. So one of the things that I want to do before the end of the year, which is quickly approaching considering I'm probably going to end up taking vacation in the third week until the end of the year, and then the first and potentially half the second week. So I want to get this reference document done and get it in front of folks to start getting feedback to make whatever revisions to get some alignment on how our getting started doc should look in the future. So yeah. Now my goal is to get this done this week. There's a lot of things that like little minor things that are gonna have to end up being done, but a lot of the high level stuff is kind of done. That's kind of what you see here. That's why I want to kind of get it out right here. So for me, the hardest part is just like figuring out how things should be structured, when I should introduce certain concepts, like how much detail I should go into, or what specific details I need. So I have my notes, as well as this shell that you see here, along with what you see me doing now. I'm kind of like moving stuff over piece by piece. So I thought that's what, yeah, never mind. I just didn't save, because you have to save in this thing. I'm curious, is this fucked up? Never mind, I don't care if it is. I'm gonna do my empty state or my end state. So let me go and find this thing right here. We're gonna open up this thing and go to the target. And where are my capabilities? So I'm going to remove both of these. Oh, excuse me. So I'm logging into my Apple developer account right now. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete this and that. I guess I'm gonna use this app. I don't really want to, but I will. So we're gonna do a floating window. Maybe a little bit bigger. Okay. So all I want to do is add, man, I don't even know why whatever, it's fine. I just want to add the push notifications and then show that this is all I'm going to do. So we'll do that. Let me make sure I close these other irrelevant things. Make sure there's nothing else here. Perfect. Wait, what? Oh, that was the wrong thing. Okay, so that one can go away. I just realized that maybe y'all can't see this. Oh well, that's fine. I just have to trust that it's there. And now I'm going to add background modes. I'm only doing this so I can take the picture. That's really it. And then what I'll end up doing is annotating these. You know, I can put like a little arrow there just to show. But these are technically separate steps. So this one is add, what is this? Push notifications. All right, let me create a new folder for this. We'll call this iOS setup images. That, and then we can look at it this way. All right, so this one is iOS setup, or I'm sorry, wait, what did I rename this? Add push notification. This is going to be add background. Maybe I gotta go in this mode to do it. Add background mode. Background modes. Oh wait, no, that's technically not done. That. Yeah, there's one other thing I need to do here. And yeah, I should have had this expanded. So we'll rename. Okay, so background modes. So what I'm doing is I'm doing completed states. So show completed states. Is it slides? Yeah. Wait, why is it this? I don't like this view. And these are my notes for now. To eventually make a slide presentation thing. So refer to existing from plat vendor. Show screenshot of completed state. Reaffirms. User is on correct path. Or maybe just right track. Okay, so I'll get to that later, but I did want to add that so I don't forget about it. Okay, so I'm gonna add the first one. Okay, so I completely forgot. Is it magic? Yes, perfect. Okay. So I want to say I can like do this right here. Magic. Is it like resize or something? Resize. 50%. Everything with a PNG. Okay, I guess. I actually have no idea how this works. Magic. Image. Magic. It's not that I don't have no idea. It's just... Oh, never mind. I do. Never mind. I was lying. I was just testing you. So we're going to put this in processed. And yeah. Oh. No images found for operation. Oh yeah, that's because I put it in the wrong order. So I think I had to put the source and then resize 50%. Nah, nothing. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, that's my bad. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's my bad. I actually want to do that. And in fact, what I really want to do is I want to take the name and then just feed it into here. Now, let's see if it'll do that automatically for me. I hope it will. And I want to remove processed 0. All right. Oh, wow. No, that didn't do it. That didn't work. Yeah, no, that didn't work. What's up with that? Huh. I thought that was how you were supposed to do the thing. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Obviously, I don't. So what I'll do is I'll just do it one at a time. No, this way, the other way. So we need to go back one directory. And what's the likelihood that it didn't work because I was in the wrong directory? What's the likelihood of that? Okay, it's 0. Okay, it's 0. Let me put this .png at the end. So we'll put this, say 0.png. I'm pretty sure it's just not putting the extension, so the operating system doesn't know that it's, yeah, that was actually it. So it's resizing. It's just, it's not doing what I thought it would do. Instead of going to read the docs, I am going to just continue onwards. So I have the background modes. So what I'm going to do is this one right here. And we'll do the same thing, resize 50%. And we'll throw this in processed. And hopefully it'll keep the same name. Unable to open image processor. Wait, what? Well, okay. Just put it here. How about that? Okay, that it doesn't like that either. Nah, something's not happy. It's not happy with something. Oh, okay, sure. That will work. Okay, all right, fine. So we'll this is add push notification. I'll just call it A for now. And then this is going to be background mode. And this is push notifications. Make sure that these are what I expect them to be. Finish running. Ah, shit. Wait, why is it waiting for my iPad to connect? I don't care. All right, screw it. It doesn't matter. So let's go and add these. And is image? Yes, image. And push notification. Okay, man, it still wants me to put these articles. Yeah, and because I have this thing right here on adding capabilities, I don't have to say it again, or I won't say it again. This is dismissible. Yeah, it's image. Okay. Now we can do the background modes version. I suppose I should use periods. I actually need to, do we use periods? Yes. Yes. These are for later to, you know, come out and create presentations and all that kind of crap. For now. And then I need to do this app, whatever this is. So let's do that. Or do I want to? No. We'll go ahead and add the app thing now. So I wanted to make sure my instructions match the screenshots. That's what I was thinking about. So we're gonna do this right here, app groups. And we're gonna add the app group, which is gonna be the name of my thingamajig, which is DevRel. Oh shit, which one of these is my identity? Identity verification, I guess that's what it is. Identity verification dot group. Oh wait, not dot one signal. I think that's what it needs to be. Let me confirm before I. Oh wait, no, I should have instructions off to the side. I forgot about that. One signal, yeah. Yeah, that's one signal. Okay. So I was right. So in the add container, I'm just going to take a screenshot of this just for my sake. Do that. Go ahead and do that. And this is upset because technically this doesn't exist. I don't think. Oh wait, never mind. It was created. All right, perfect. So this may be a note worth saying in here. So let me find. Where are my notes? Here we are. So specifically here. So we'll just put like a note behind one of these things. Actually, this is a Xcode thing. I don't, yeah, it's not my problem. It's an Xcode thing. All right, so we now have that. So let's specifically show the app group. And I'm just now realizing that I probably should have, let me go and confirm. Look at these images. Maybe I did do it. I did not. So here's what I'm looking at. I kind of don't want the, well, you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Never mind. It doesn't matter. So we'll just take our screenshot as is. I suppose I had to have one of these things selected, I guess. All right. Refresh again. All right. Where are my images? Oh man, I gotta redo these. I forgot to turn off my drop shadow, which is fine. That's okay. These I'm gonna keep them here for placeholders, but I'll also want to annotate these. What I was just thinking about is after I established the context in this first screenshot, let me make this a little bit bigger. So in this first screenshot, I already established the context. And then the second step here, I'm on the same page. So what I'm thinking about doing is from here on out, just making a screenshot of just this section here. So that way it's more prominent, like all these things are more prominent. So this will appear larger essentially. And same thing here with the app group, which I haven't added yet, but I am going to do it now. I think I've already took that screenshot. Okay, I don't want that one. I want this one. Dump that in there. Okay, so now I need to take this screenshot. And this is, again, I'm just going to use it as a placeholder for now. But eventually I'm thinking about maybe only including this section here, the part that's not changing. I'm sorry, the part that's changing. It's just this little panel here. So now that all this is, no, anyway, let me come back to here. So, and again, it was keeping it with my only show complete states for things that are well documented. This is, again, here we are. So it's going to be my app group. So one thing I'm going to do right quick is open up Name Mangler. And we'll just drop this into here. Remove the regular expression, no regular expressions. Okay, so change space. Actually, I don't even think I need to do a regular expression with this. Once I can just do space and then say replace with that. Yeah, that works. Okay, so we'll rename. Yeah, sure, rename. And change case. So I'm going to lowercase them all, so I'll rename them all like that. And do the same thing here. Lowercase them and do underscores. Okay, cool. So the reason why I did that is it makes using CLI stuff easier. So we'll do, what is it? Add app group PNG. See, already easier. We'll resize by 50%, and this will go inside of processed, and it'll be called add app group group.png. And again, we're going to add another placeholder image. And the reason why I have placeholders is I can get all the text and all of the formatting, the flow, all that stuff in place, and then I can change it as needed. Add app groups. Is that what I did? Yeah, that's literally what I just did. And I hope I added the right one. Let me check. Replace. Add app group. Sure, I guess I did. I probably should talk about what happens if you already have an existing app group. Yeah, I'll do that as a note. Something to think about. But I guess if you already have an app group, you would know what to do. You would just put the name, you would just add it, the existing app group. I guess all of these are potentially like potentials, right? So really this should be like an ensure type of thing. Ensure the main app target has the push capability, ensure it has this type of thing. Okay. Let's go ahead and save this for now. Wait, add app group capability. Let's go ahead and do that first. Let's now, or no, I haven't done that. I had to add a notification extension now. So I'll close this. And again, I'm only going to show the end state. Where's my target? Here we are. Notifications, service extension. Yeah, there's nothing really that, you know, I need to tell them to do specifically. This will be part of that. And it has to be named something specific to OneSignal notification service extension. And again, this will be refer to Apple's things, but because I haven't already referred to that, I'm gonna have to add a new link. Now let's see if Apple has a notification service extension doc. I'll look for developer docs. Yeah, so it looks like they have a doc, add a service app extension, notification service extension. Yeah, so what I'll do is refer to their doc. All right, now I can just add my completed thing to here. OneSignal. I've already forgot the name of it. Let me find it again. Needs to be called that. One signal notification service extension. Finish. All right, perfect. So now I have my thing and we can come in and add the app group. And where is it at? I don't see it. So there's going to be group, shit, I've already forgot the name of that. Identity verification. Identity verification. One signal. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, it seems to be happy with that. Oh wait, hold on. Was I supposed to do that already? Shit. Oh wait, no, I wasn't supposed to do that. What was I doing? Okay. So I created my target and it's not like it adds anything. So I think that it was still here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to expand this out, which was probably a mistake. Unless I had it at the minimum. If I had it at the minimum, then we're good. Let's see. That says identity verification. And this says identity verification full. Okay, so I think that's, yeah, it was probably like that. So I'll just take the screenshot as is, I guess. Let me add a new target just to see what it does again. We'll do a widget kit. Actually, no, we won't. I don't want to do that. I'm thinking that I want to change these steps up now, because right now I have create the extension and copy the NSC and then add the app group, but it's not like it opens up anything. So maybe the best thing to do is just to add the app group here. So let me go ahead and take the screenshot, and maybe that'll be the next step. Oh shit, let me take a correct screenshot. Let me come into options. So options, show floating thumbnail. No. Oh, that's not what I was trying to do. There used to be an option here where you could prevent it, like you can have it do what do you call it, like a background drop, a drop shadow. There used to be a drop shadow option in these settings here. What happened? Okay, so it's now an option to do that. It is. Oh my gosh. Sometimes I hate Apple. There used to be a checkbox that you can check in the last version of this. Now it's hidden behind an option key. That sucks. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, so that's the group, and that's okay. So yeah, this is what I want to go doing. Like this is what I want to do doing forward. So I think this is the app group for the NSE. Actually, let me just move this here first. Rename this. So this is add an app group main target. And this is add app group NSE target. Let me just call it NSE. Main target. And I want to do the same thing that I've been doing with the NSE version of it. Add app group NSE. Wait, that was the app group. So I think that what I want to do is to move this to here. And this will be step 6 now instead. Oops. Is it a part or a part? What the? Okay, that was weird. So it's going to be command plus shift plus O, I think. Yeah. Did I already add an NSE? Yeah, I did. Okay, so this is going to be notification service dot Swift. Is that the name of the file? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna have to go and format this code. I have a formatter that does this actually. It's part of one of my library, like one of the things I'm working on. I'll do that later though. Kind of want to just, you know, get a lot of these pieces in place. Okay, so these are things. Create the extension, and there might be some additional stuff that I'll put in here. We'll see. We're gonna add the app group capability to NSE. And again, because this is in the same pane, what I may end up doing is when I ultimately create my screenshots that I'm going to use, I'll just have this section here, so it's bigger. Now, obviously, you can click it and see, but still, quality could be better. Okay, so press Command Shift O to quick open notification service.swift and replace its contents with the following code. Okay, and I guess that's it for there. All right, so add the OneSignal SDK package dependencies. So that is more of a click file something in the thing. So we'll click file, add package dependencies. I'm looking, I know we do this somewhere else, so I'm like looking to see how it's done there, so I'm not inconsistent. Or maybe I deleted that. Maybe I deleted it. You know what? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to defer to their documentation. So let me find how to add the packages, so I can go ahead and throw the link in here, and then I can write my own stuff that I need to write. So Apple Developer Swift Package Manager. Adding the package dependencies. Yeah, I thought I had this and I did. I just must have lost access to it. And we'll kind of do the same thing here. Because in my opinion, it's not really my responsibility to explain how to use your tools. It's only OneSignal. Wait, did I already have that somewhere? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, never mind. Add a package. Why? Wait, what the hell? What the fuck? Package dependency. Okay. Okay, so this will be my cop out per se. But I am going to show the results of adding the thing. I forgot the name of the thing already. Add package dependencies. What's that? Okay. Let's make sure that this is working the way I expect. Releases here. Yes. Now what I don't want it to open it in here. I want to open it in a new tab. Which means I'm gonna have to use a anchor tag for that. Because there's no way to use Markdown to do that. Because I have to set a specific attribute, which I think is was it the no refer or something? I don't know. It's some type of attribute you can set on anchor tags. Okay, so it looks like we're making okay progress. So let's see what version I'm gonna use. I actually don't know what the latest version that we can use is. 5.2.8. Okay. And that's not beta. Okay, perfect. Yeah. 5.2.8. It's the one that we're going to integrate. Oops. Okay, now this is where I want to choose the things. So the extension should go to the extension. Or maybe I don't have to add it to any target. Anyway, so let's do the thing. So we're going to put this to the extension. One signal framework is going to go to none. This will also go to none, and this will go to none. In fact, this can go to none too. You don't have to do anything. So just say click add package, and then we'll add that package. Just take a look here. Actually, I'm not sure how these got added. Yes. Let's try that again. No idea why it's taking forever and a day now. And yeah, I gotta make sure that the package is in here. So I want the extension. I'm sorry, the framework, and potentially this right here as well. So I'm gonna remove it again because I want the screenshot. That's why I'm doing it so many times. And this is part of what makes what I do difficult. All right, we'll remove that again. Yeah, I think I already took that screenshot. Yeah, but I took it wrong. Okay, so this goes to the extension. That goes to here, and that messages will go to the main target. And then location, I'm not going to use it right now, but I'll have a separate section most likely. Ah, shit, and I forgot to do the thing. Okay, so add package. So now when I come here, we should see all of the thing. Yeah, perfect. It's going to be Swift Package Manager, so SPM. Wait, are these libraries or frameworks? I think they're frameworks, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Well, these are, well, some of them are. There's framework package. Oh, this name is weird. All right, I need to implement or write this part up as well. And I also got to make sure that this doesn't appear under the wrong thing like it does. So this should go outside of details. Oh, this is incredibly difficult. Oh my gosh. Actually, I don't think I want to talk about the push notification stuff here. This is interesting. I don't have... My little clicky thing that tells me whether or not this is a link is no longer working. That's interesting. I still don't. I don't know. I don't really like this. I'm gonna have to talk to some folks and come up with something else. I don't like that. All this stuff, you know, I already have docs for this, so it's maybe a link out, or maybe I'll include the content here. We'll see. Customization. Let's see. Technically, a lot of this content, it already exists here. Oh man, there's not much left really. I mean, there's a lot of it. I mean, it is, but not really, not difficult. No, these these snippets, that should be fairly easy. this may take a little bit of work. I am going to create a special, like a one signal notification live activity type of thing, like a basic one. Oops, that's not the right one. I wonder if there's anything else that I need to do for the storyboard, or if I'm good here. I know I need to do the Cocoa Pods. I guess I can do that now. Do I even have Cocoa Pods installed? Let's see. Hmm. 1152. Okay. Is it update or upgrade for Brew? Update. I guess it's upgrade. I don't know. And one of the things that I'm going to have to do is include my current versions of tools that I'm working with. Oh, excuse me. So I'll throw in here my current version. 16.1. gosh, you can't use the keyboard for anything on here. Sequoia 15-1. I don't know how you spell Sequoia. I'm pretty sure I butchered that. I mean, double click it. God damn it. It goes away. All right, I have no idea what I'm using anymore. Hopefully that, I don't know. Maybe that's how you spell Sequoia, hopefully. Oh, 16.1, I think. Yeah, 16.1. Alright, so that part, we're good there. The live activities, I'm not going to do that at all today. I'm trying to figure out what I can do now that's easy. I guess the Cocoa Pots, I could put the stuff in here. I don't know if it's correct. That's my only issue. I don't like adding anything in here unless I know it's correct. But that's fine. Let's just add the code for now. This is a pod file. Do we have that? Okay, so I'm just going to assume that it's... Gosh, what is a pod file? I forgot what a pod file is. Is it Ruby? I'm gonna use Ruby and we'll see if it works out with the highlighter. That's the only reason it matters, is for this highlighter. So let's look for Ruby. Then I will type in here pod file, like so. Okay, so, and my target is going to be identity verification. I think, I actually don't know the name of my target. Identity dash verification. Yeah, I still don't know the name of it. But I do know the version. This is going to be 5.0. But I'm actually going to make this 5.2.8 so that it always at least gets this version. Something seems missing here. I see the one signal location, but I don't see the extension or the framework anywhere. And that messages is there. Location is there. I'm assuming that this right here is the framework, maybe. I don't know. Why is it in two different windows? Yeah, it didn't look like I had pod file here. Actually, I actually know where I have one at. So let's see. That would be in my Flutter thing. Pretty sure there's a pod file in iOS. Oops. Where would the pod file be? Oh, is that the root maybe? Yeah, it is at the root. Pod file, yeah, there we go. Oops. Oops. Okay, so let's see, we have these definitions. And then target. Okay, they go outside of the definition. All right, that's what I wanted to make sure. I just want to confirm. And this uses the old XE framework that doesn't exist anymore. Okay. So, yeah, that makes life a little bit easier. Can I just say at the bottom of the file, would that be appropriate? Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not even gonna say it. I won't specify. And not the following. Okay. All right, I think that is good enough. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's not. I was hoping that there would be publicly available stuff, but maybe not. Oh well. I'm not gonna link to it. It was mostly just for, I don't know, maybe making people's lives easier, but yeah, it's not that big of a deal. All right, let's go ahead and save this and see how we're looking. Well, sure. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that was. Okay, so CocoaPods, great. Okay. I don't like how these two are like this. Yeah, this probably should go before I start these details up here. And so should this. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now we have our storyboard. Okay. All right, cool. So I think with this, I am going to call it a night. Unless y'all want to talk about stuff, but I'm going to assume no one's here. So I'm out. Y'all have a good one. Peace.